Hi, my name is Stephen. I'm a math tutor at Tutoring 101. I help students increase their SAT and ACT scores. There's a problem behind me written on the whiteboard that's a typical ACT SAT problem, but it's not the typical way that we see it in our Algebra 1, Algebra 2, or pre-calc class. So to get good at taking the SAT and ACT exams, we need to see how they're going to ask the question and how we're going to get it right. So this particular problem says if 3 times p minus 2 is greater than or equal to 1, what is the least possible value of 3p plus 2? In our typical math class in high school, we are taught to isolate the variable to get p by itself. And you could do that. But there's a trick, there's a faster way. There's a way that the SAT, ACT folks are wondering if the student can see. Let's look at what they give us, 3p minus 2, and what they're asking us about, 3p plus 2. And they're asking what is the least of the values that 3p plus 2 would give us. So in other words, they're asking what is the 3p plus 2 the least value? What does it always have to be greater than or equal to? If we know that 3 times p minus 2 is always greater than or equal to 1, what do we know about 3p plus 2? Notice that the 3p's are exactly the same. So all we have to do is figure out a way to go from a minus 2 to a plus 2. What can I do to a minus 2 to get it to a positive 2? What can I add? 4. Add 4 to this side, and of course add 4 to the right side. So as long as we add 4 to both sides of the inequality, everything is going to remain true. Well, 3p minus 2 plus 4 would give us the 3p plus 2. That's what they're asking for. The 1 plus 4 will give us the 5. We've just solved the problem. So at first glance, it sounded kind of rough. We may have tried to get the 2 over here, divide by the 3, put that into here, and wonder where to go from there. But instead, we figured out the way to ace this. Thanks, and stay tuned for other helpful hints and tips. Take care.